I'll show you today without using any camera or lens, and you can make photography by using the AI tool. So let's get started. Here I made photography, the portrait photography, these and these. So I made a prompt over there, and if I want to watch this one, already made this one like 20 minutes ago, and I used prompt over there. A young woman in a black portrait by the Joseph Pisani, and trending city CG select this 35mm DSLR and depth of field and everything. So I'm copying this one again, this one. Okay, copy this one and going to the Discord and going to the mid journey and using the prompt over there, selecting and over there. And additionally, I'm providing here something that is the version 5 v5 and just giving the prompt over there. So here I just made a mistake over there, and again I'm just copy and paste. Okay, v5. So here v and the 5, that's good, and just generating the prompt. So here lots of images I created, this one and the another one without using the lens and camera, so which is really nice and amazing, and which is like amazing. You don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to manage the models, you don't have to use camera and other lenses and other device. If you have only one like PC, you can use that. This one is amazing, and depth of field and everything you are getting over there. So let's see what they are doing for us. We already done this one. You can upscale and you can make version by using EU means the upscale, and v1 or v2 v3 means the version. So I'm just opening up into the browser and let's see. So 1 2 3 and 4. So you can provide any sort of prompt over there, like Indian girls, Russian girls. So let's see what will happen up there if we use another some variation over there. So copying this one and generating another one, and young woman, young like Indian woman, and giving the prompt over there. So in these options you are getting proper skin tone, cinematic tone, and the depth of field over there. Here some skin textures and models, which is really amazing. Here some lights and shadow properly, and all the stuffs are like according to the real camera, which is really amazing. And like you can just out of the box and out of the mind actually. So let's see what is happening. They're making Indian type girls. You can make any sort of version, any sort of. I'll provide the prompt in my video detail, and you can make many versions if you want. I'll provide you the prompt over there. So generating 93% done. Let's see what they're providing. Okay, opening up into the browser, and it will up into the upscale. You can upscale and everything. So Indian texture, Indian girls texture in a face, and the face mode and everything. So you can upscale those things. Suppose I want to upscale this number 2, so upscale u2, it will upscale over there. Okay, it's working on that. Yeah, already upscales and opening up into the browser. So without camera, without lens, without any sort of device, only the PC, you can make this type of amazing portrait photography by the help of the AI, which is really amazing. Just next level game changer tools over there. So here already 1 2 3 4. So this one is traditional Indian girls, this one is a traditional Indian tone, and this one is absolutely the Indian one, and this one already you got this one. I'm just downloading this one, saving the image in my directory, and I have the image enlarger, and I'll just enlarge this photo and I'll edit this one. So this one I'll just drag and drop in my photo enlarger. You can use any sort of photo enhancer, and just export this one. Okay, that's fine. 95%. Okay, done. Opening up into the folder, right press and open with into the Photoshop. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, this one. And now press Ctrl Command J. That's good. And we'll go to the filter and then going to the camera filter. So in this camera filter, we'll edit this photo a little bit above. Here some exposure I'll expand, and the vibrance I'll make it a little bit up down, and sharpening I'll increase. The skin texture some over there, texture I'll add some texture, and the color mixture, color grading, and calibration. If I go to the calibration, so I can change the calibration. Suppose you want to make this one a little bit of this yellowish tone, and the green primary I'll make this one a little bit of warm type, and the hue I'll make this one like this. So the basic portion I want to make this one a little bit of warm, and using some tint and exposure a little bit up, adding some contrast, highlights I'll make it a little bit down, and shadow I'll provide some shadow and whites. I'll adding some whites and blacks. I'll decrease the blacks. I'm going to the curve tone. If you want to add some gamma, just place over there, and adding some little bit of gamma, which is really matte type tone. And detailing, I'm reducing the color noise, and here color grading. If you want, here is the shadow, here is the mid-tone and highlight. In shadow color saturation 12%, and adding this type of tone, that's good. And the mid-tone, adding some saturation, and yeah, that's amazing. And this portion I'll add some saturation, and okay, that's fine. Before and after, okay, that's fine. Okay, if you want to make this one a little bit of, yeah, that's fine, that's natural. And before one was another one, and after one you're getting the cinematic tone over there. Explore a little bit up, that's fine. So proper eyes, nose, lips, and everything, and every texture, depth of field, and everything is nice. Or if you have some like preset to edit your this type of photo, you can use preset over there, which I just given over there, the manual things, and you can press OK. Okay, before and after, you can keep this one before one and after one. This one is more natural, and after that going to the levels options, and from here I'll add some levels like that. Okay, that's fine, which is making the photo more dynamic. And so let's amazing. So before one and after one. So without camera, without lens, without device, I made a photograph, and which is the portrait photograph, and the traditional Indian portrait photograph, which is really amazing. You don't have to go to India, you don't have to go to US or UK or Paris or Italy or like Turkey. You can make any sort of photo by using AI tool at your home. So that is cool. Until the next video, I'll be back with any kind of exciting tools in next. Until the next video, I'm signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.